Hi everyone and welcome to Presenting Project. So today I'm going to see how you can generate a QR code in Excel, and this can be done within less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. So I'm just typing the Excel, just opening it and go for a blank book. After doing that, you have to go to the Insert tab. See all, this is what we are going to use. Go to the store and type the QR code. This is what you will get: QR for Office. Add. You don't actually need to check this all, but if you want, you can just check it. Just going to continue with it. So you can type HTTPS, mail to, telephone. Well, so here I will just put a link. So I just put office.com. You can check the HTTPS format, and here the different options which you can use. Here it is the color of this and the background color. So I'm just like white. So here you can choose color accordingly. Changes the background color. You can increase size of it. Just click on insert. The size, it does not matter, and once you click on insert, it will come to this tab which I selected now. So here you can see a QR code has came. So you can put any address here. You can even put SMS. This or any custom one. So if you are using a phone and if you scan this, it will just take you to office.com. So I'm not sharing this in this video. So next what we are going to do is we are going to do the same thing in online version. So I'm just opening office.com. So here you can see I opened one blank screen. So next we have to go to the Insert tab and add add-ins. So I'm just using the same QR for Office. Again, you can go to this, so it will load little. Here, after that we are going to use QR code. And continue. Here you can see it has came. Same I can office.com HTTP. Just selecting to HTTPS. So different color, background is black. Insert. So here you can see a message has came. So here you have to copy the image and paste it over here. Just uploading it. So now you can see if you are using the Office online version. So this is an issue which you may face. So that's all for this video. We'll continue the rest in the next video. Thanks for watching this video and do subscribe if you like it.